Hey y'all, Kinah here from KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the April 2022 TheHoneyBShop Babe Box titled Space Drip. Y'all, that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna sit it to the side and we're gonna get to that in just a second. I would truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, like this video once you're done watching it if you enjoy it, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this box is. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this. This is the envelope that the goodies come in. I will jump into what's here on top first, which is this month's sticker die cuts. Whoa. Okay. We've got Made of Stardust. They do have a holographic overlay. We've got Out of This World in all three skin tones. Alien, another mini alien. This one is dish soap, I guess. I could be missing the joke behind that. Made of Stardust. Got another little heart here. We've got some charms in all three tones. We got the gals with her alien earrings in all three tones. Oh, I think I dropped something. I did. We got the spaceship. We've got a cow. It says mood. Cute. Believe in yourself. It's okay to take up space. I like that. And then another cow with in its astronaut helmet. So these are the sticker die cuts in this month's Babe Box. Let's see if we can get it all together without tearing it up. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Okay. Next item we have are this month's journaling cards. We've got this clear one, Made of Stardust. As you can see, it has the protective film on it that will need to be peeled off with that pretty hollow foil. And this one is the drip. If you have a smaller planner, you could layer these together. Look how pretty that is. So the two journaling cards. If I did not already mention this, I don't think I did. This month's box is a collaboration with Cookie Sticker Co. And I'll show you something pretty cool at the end that did not come with this box but was made available. I am not sure if it's still available. I'll have to check the shop. But if the accompanying item that has already been released is still available, I will link it down below in the description box. So we got a weekly planner, B6 size. As you can see, it has the vertical layout all the way through. You can stick that in your TN. Let's circle back to that. So that's the weekly planner. Next, we've got our papers, and oh my goodness, is it bringing the drip and the hollow foil. Cute. So first we have this hollow drip on this acetate. Would y'all look at that? That is super pretty. And then we have the constellations on the acetate, the hollow constellations. These will layer pretty cool too as well. Isn't that pretty? So these are the papers in this month's box. Next, let's jump into this month's pen, space drip themed. We have the ombre aqua pink and purple with the silver. So the pen is silver accented. This always twists off on me. And it is black gel ink. Has the HoneyBShop logo up there at the top. This is this month's pen. We got some washi because How dare you, first of all, do a collab with Cookie Sticker Co. and not give us the drip? Okay? Give us the drip. Okay, so we have this 10mm ombre purples, cute with the hollow foil, and then we've got a 15mm ombre purples with the constellation and the planets on the bottom. So these are the 2 rolls of washi that are in this month's box. Yo, look at that hollow foil. Y'all know I'm not a fan, but it's pretty. It sure is pretty. Next, we have this month's sticker book. So it is 10 pages. Again, it is a collaboration with Cookie Sticker Co. So you're going to see her trademarked drip here. So first page, we've got 9 boxes, full boxes, different skin tones, which is one of the reasons I absolutely love HoneyBShop, because she offers these different skin tones. We've got a second page of full boxes with the hollow foil. Is that silver foil? This is silver. No, it's hollow foil. It's hollow. We've got a functional sheet here. This is white matte paper. We've got some more boxes. We've got 2 sets of date covers, some headers, some drip headers. Y'all, these are so pretty. And some habit trackers here. And then we've got these icons. So they are individually cut and are hollow foiled, and they go down on a ombre background. This is also a white matte page, functionals. We've got some water trackers, some icons and scripts, and some full month of date covers. We have our planner cart of the month, as well as our mini functionals here. And then we have our deco. Paint your nails, sis. So that is this month's sticker book. Last but not least, y'all saw this at the beginning of the video. I know you saw it. We got a B6 sized TN notebook. The string's over here. So here is the string to close it up. I'm not going to stick it in yet. We've got a pocket here with this jelly heart-shaped cutout with the hollow stars in there. Another pocket here. And we've got a side pocket here. One here in the back. It does say the HoneyBShop and Cookie Sticker Co. Yes, yes, embossed. Let's get closer. Get closer. Alright, there we go. Let me let you see the outside, because it's got that pretty purple ombre into the lavender, the white drip, the hollow constellations. Super cute. So let me tell you, this matches with this sticker album, the mini sticker album that was released by Cookie Sticker Co. This does not come in the babe box. Let me say that again. This does not come in the babe box. If you turn around and order this babe box because you think you're going to get the mini sticker album, remember that I said it does not come in the babe box. Again, I will check to see if it's still in stock. If it is, I will link it down below. But you got a pocket here. And you've got plenty of pockets to store your sticker sheets. It does have the HoneyBShop and Cookie Sticker Co. logo back there. A D ring so that you can hook your charms on. And it all matches. Matchy matchy. She cute. She is very cute. Yes, I like it. So this is the 2022 April 2022 HoneyBShop Babe Box collab with Cookie Sticker Co. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.